This Impact Week, myself and a few of the people from the ACNA team were lucky enough to spend a day working with Nurture Africa. We were helping develop a template for their digital and social work and helping them to raise money more effectively.
This Impact Day, I had the opportunity to work alongside the Dublin Simon community. We created an engagement and retention plan which was aimed specifically at Dublin Simon community's frontline workers.
My team and I have been working with the charity Hail today as part of Impact Day. And the part of the day I have enjoyed the most has been sharing with them the tools and techniques needed from a change management perspective in order to achieve their strategic goals.
Just finished up a really successful workshop on stakeholder engagement strategy with the NCBI team. Hopefully it should be some help to them in the coming months as they embark on a few more campaigns and projects.
I was a project leader on the DePaul project today. We worked with them today on improving some of their processes around their management accounts.
Hi folks, just logged on after a long day of working with Athletics Ireland as part of Deloitte Impact Day. We facilitated a couple of workshops today to help them look at new areas of funding.
I've been very privileged today to spend time with the Deloitte team on their Impact Day. Very much look forward to implementing the goals that we have designed from the day.
This was a really cool project. It was incredible to work with the team, to have that opportunity over a day, to have them work for us to share the Nurture Africa story.
It was incredibly satisfying to do it. It was hard as well. It's hard to kind of pack a lot in. Normally that process would be spread out over weeks or days, certainly.
You've helped us to pull together all the ideas from the day, all your ideas, and added some in that maybe we wouldn't have articulated that way, and so we'll have a different nuance to it, or different understanding, or maybe even a different way of thinking about a solution to that now.
Overall, it's a brilliant experience, and I feel really grateful that I got to help in providing practical supports to an organisation that does so much good. It was also amazing to see just how much work you can get done in one day.
Overall, a brilliant day, would definitely recommend for anyone to get involved.
It's just been a really positive day, and really looking forward to seeing what it brings for the organisation.